Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a glow effect in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. All right, guys, I have already imported all the assets that we're going to use in this tutorial. Now let's add the background first, then add this image up on the background and adjust the size and position of it. Now go to the effects section, and here you will see this edge glow, but if you can't find it, then you can search for any effect here. Now let's add this effect to the image. After this, you can see the glow on the image. You can also adjust the glow how much you want from here. If I do 100, then can't be able to see the object clearly, so do glow between 5 to 30. Let's add the slide up animation to the image, then it will look so better. Now let's play. All right, let's add these animated icons and add glow to this. First, we have to remove this white background for that. Go to Remove BG, then tick this small box on the chroma key and make sure that you have selected this pen icon and go to the screen. Then your white background will automatically removed. Also increase the intensity to 100, so white removed from the edges of the icon. Now go to Effect and add this edge glow on the icon. Let's play the video. That's how you can add a glow effect in Capcut PC. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.